Looking at your face, baby girl, you a blessing. Looking at your waist, I got a chance.
Okay, so another Around the World Eats with your girl, Miss Lavish. So today's stop off, y'all, we got the Peach Cobbler Factory. And guys, fun fact, I did not know that they had this at the location out at South Haven, Mississippi, y'all. So if you guys are in South Haven, Mississippi or in Memphis, Tennessee, guys, let me cut that off. You know, we were finna get the jam and everything just then. But as I was saying, guys, they do have it in South Haven, Mississippi. Like, I thought for sure you'll find the Peach located in Atlanta, baby, but they brought the Peach all the way to the Silk, baby. And not only did I know that they had one in the state of Alabama, Tuscaloosa, Alabama, but y'all, right here in Mississippi, I was just in traffic, you know, looking all cute, checking my makeup, jamming on out to my music. You know, feeling like that girl as you girly should always feel like that girl. But let's get back into it, y'all. I turned to the left, y'all, and spotted boy right on over next to me. So you know I had to go ahead and bust that U-turn, baby, and cop me some. So for my order, I ended up getting the cinnamon praline peach cobbler. No ice cream, guys, because you know I'm gonna be having this going down the road and everything. And also I had got the red velvet banana pudding, but on the receipt it say red velvet pudding. But y'all, it don't have the bananas in it. But look at it. This is the red velvet pudding, y'all. Red velvet pudding. Then right here, this bad boy is already warm, which is the peach praline peach cobbler. So we're gonna go ahead and try this, y'all. Y'all, when I say this smells so good, this ain't nothing but down south goodness. Down south goodness. Get into it, y'all. Get into it. Like, look at that. Just that. The aroma just don't even do justice for how good this probably finna taste, y'all. Like, look at it. Get into it. Go ahead, take that bite. Big bites. Baby, this better than a couple things I could name. But when I say this is good tea. Now, I thought my grandma had some of the best peach cobbler. Not gonna knock you, grandma. You do got some peach cobbler. But I think the Peach Cobbler Factory actually might give you your run for your money. This right here is unimaginably good. 10 out of 10. Like, I cannot stop eating this. It's so good. Guys, like, I had to stop myself. I was going in a little bit too hard because I was gonna forget about this bad boy right here. So right here is the red velvet banana pudding. Hence, it don't have no banana. She had to let me know. Which is cool or whatever and stuff. Because, you know, when I was growing up, eating banana pudding, I didn't like the bananas. But as I got older, I actually did admire the bananas in it. But also, I could do without it as well. Because you all know that the best part is really the cookies, guys. But let's try this bad boy. We got a cookie right here. Go ahead and got that scoop out of that. Cheers. You know how they remixed that song on Dora? Like, big bag, yeah, it's me. Yeah. This is what it's giving, y'all. Like, your girl already supposed to be getting in the gym with this whole New Year's resolution, but look what I'm doing.
Oh, that the fuck serious?
Oh, like you serious?
Nah, hold up though, bro. Hold up though. That the fuck.
Like, what was going on? Like, Peach Cobbler, y'all doing your thing and keep doing your thing, cause this is amazing. And I will definitely be coming back to you guys, trying your different flavors, and hopefully too soon see some new combinations. So guys, get there quick and get there fast. Try the Peach Cobbler Factory at your local locations, or hey, do that drive like I did. Until next time.
Looking at your face, baby girl, you a blessing. Looking at your waist, I got a chance.